So here we are going to do one example, and this is our question. In this question, you can see there is one heading, then there is an unordered list. This is unordered list because there is no number, only bullets are there, and you can see the bullets are in the form of a flower. It's an image bullet, and there is a border for this box, and here you can see a table. So this is our question. Create an unordered list as shown in the picture and apply border. The border should be dashed and red color. So we will see that dashed and red color. Okay, yeah. So this is our basic HTML structure. There is head. Sorry, I missed the HTML tag. Okay, head, body, and first we are going to write this heading. And for the heading, I'm giving H2 because H1 will be very larger. So I'm writing H2 list of available items and close H2. And I'm going to save this page as question1.html. Question1.html. Now I will just check it. Yes. So the heading is ready. Now we have to create these two items in the unordered list. So the tag for unordered list is UL, but before that, it's always better to enclose each item or each element in a div in our page so that it's easy to maintain. So I will write a div. Inside that, I will create the unordered list UL and close UL, and to add the item LI list item, close LI, and we have two items in our page. Two items are there. So I'm copying and pasting this once again. Copy and paste. So unordered list UL LI and close it. So here I'm writing the first item, that is book, and the second item is pen. Save it and refresh the page to see the result. Yes, so our list is ready, but you can see it has applied some style for that. So we have to do some styling for this to give this dashed border and these image bullets. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new style sheet, and I'm going to give the name as CSS question1.cs. CSS question1.css. Remember to save the file with extension .css. Now I want to apply first I want to apply a border for this one. So I'm going to name this div class equal my div. Okay. Now for that div, I'm going to apply a border. So I'm writing div dot my div. It means the div named my div. Class name is my div. And border, the command is border. I'm writing maybe 10 pixel is the thickness. Then it's solid. If I want a solid border, I will give solid, and the color is red, and always end it with a semicolon. Save it and refresh the page to see the result. It is not working because we didn't link our style sheet. So we have to link our style sheet with the HTML page, and we are using link relation rel equals style sheet href equal, we have to give the name of the style sheet, that is CSS question 1. CSS question 1 dot CSS. Be careful about the spelling and the extension. So now we have linked our style sheet and save it and refresh the page. Yes, now here you can see the border, but we want the dashed border. So what we are going to do is, in the style we will change the solid to dashed border. Save it and refresh the page and you can see the dashed border. But here the border is, the width is very small, so we will change the width maybe some 200 pixel. Save it and refresh the page. Yes, now it's almost okay. Now we have to change the bullets and we have to give the picture. So what I'm going to do is, for this unordered list I have to change the bullet. So I'm giving a name for this unordered list also, class equal, and giving a name A. And to change the bullet for that unordered list, I will write ul dot a, means unordered list named A. Inside that, I will use list style image. You can use list style image. If you use list style type, it will allow you to use some already defined bullets like circle, square, like that. But if you want to add a picture as bullet, then you can give list style image and give the URL of the picture. URL. Here I'm going to give the URL of the picture. I have saved the picture already in my folder. It's flower.png. If you point the cursor, it will show the extension. It's png file. So I will give the name as flower.png, and since it's a name, it should be inside the quotes, and close it with semicolon. Save it and refresh. Uh, we have to save this file also. Yes, so now it's ready.